my friend, this is 50-liter vacuum emulsifying mixer. Now I will test it for you. So before using this machine, you need to connect with the factory power. This is the electricity component we adopt with. And you can check they have some cables you need to connect with your factory power, like these 3 wires, L1, 2, 3 connects with the factory power, and this blue one connects with the neutral wire, and also there have another cables you need to connect with your ground wire. Okay, and there have some cables we had attached some numbers on these cables, so you just need to connect according to the number. Like this one, this 2 is for heating, so 9 connects with 9, 10 connects with 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, and other is the same. So just connect according to the number. There have some pipes you need to connect with, like this big one is for the heating. So this pipe is for the water into the jacket, and the up one, this one is for the water out. So when the water comes out from this pipe, that means the jacket is full of water. And another function for this pipes is for the mechanical sealing ring cooling down. Okay, so this valve you need to keep it open all the time. And this is another transparent pipe, is for the mechanical sealing ring cooling down, water out. Okay, so this is for the pipes. And this is Homogenizing model, ABB brand. And this valve is for the water into the jacket. So if you want to fill the water into the jacket, you need to turn on this valve like that. Okay, and this is the heating rod for heating. This is the control panel, so you can check they have some buttons. This one is indication light, and this is the light switch. Okay, and this is the main power switch. After you connect with the factory power and the neutral and ground wire, you can turn on this one to turn on the electricity power. And this is the emergency stop. You can use it if there have some problems happens. Okay, and this is the screen. You can choose the language you need from here. Okay, you can check they have some function for the mixing, homogenizing, and this button is for the tilting and reset, and hydraulic up and down. And this part is for the heating control for the vacuum pump. Okay, let's check. They have some accessories on the cover you need to know. So this one is for the air filter, so you can use this part to release the vacuum if you want to let the cover up. Okay, and this one is the gauge to show the pressure into the tank. And this is the wheel window. We're equipped with a small Teflon scraper, so you can remove the gas if you want to check the tank inside. Okay, and that's one you can connect with a flexible pipe to suck the material from the raw material storage tank. Okay, and this hopper is for ingredient, so you can add some accessories from this hopper. And this one connects with Sachet spray board here, so you can connect with tap water to clean the tank after the produce finish. And this is the LED line. This is the mixing paddle with Teflon scraper. Now let's test the function. Let's check the mixing function. Like you can set the mixing speed you need from here. You can check the maximum of the mixing speed is 65 RPM. So you can set at, for example, 20. And here you can set the mixing time from here according to your formula, like 2 minutes. Okay, so after the time arrival 2 minutes, this mixing function will stop automatically. Now let's check. Okay, now stop. And this is the homogenizing. It's send like the mixing. You can set the homogenizing speed from here. The maximum is 30,000 RPM, so you can set like 1,500, and the time 1 minute, and turn on. Okay, now stop it. And this part is for the heating function. So here you can show the actual temperature in the tank, and this is the temperature calibration. This is the parameter you can set. You need temperature from here. Okay, but before point this stop button, you need to make sure the jacket is full of the water. That means the water comes out from here. Then you can turn off this water ink valve. Okay, and like for example, your produce needs to heating up 45 degrees, and then stop. And when the actual temperature arrival what you need here, you can point stop button. And if there have some error in the actual temperature here, you can use this calibration button. You can point here to plus like 5.2. Then the actual temperature is like what you need. Okay, but if the actual temperature is higher than the temperature you need to reduce from here, like point this one, 5.2. Okay, this is the heating function. And okay, let's check this tilting function firstly. This button is for the tilting and reset. Tilting function, you can dumping it to discharge your final product, you can put the storage tank here, or you can put it out and put the storage tank here to dumping it. Okay, now reset it. Okay, so this is the dumping, and hydraulic dump. Okay. Then let's check the vacuum function. Before point this stop button, you need to make sure this valve is turned on, turn off, and other valve is turn off, and turn off. Okay. Then you can point this stop button. You can check the pressure is up, and when the actual temperature is close to the upper limit, this vacuum pump will stop working automatically. Okay, now you can turn off this valve to keep the tank under the vacuum stage, and also you can connect with a flexible pipe here and turn on this valve to suck the material into the tank through the vacuum. If the pressure is lower than this limit, this vacuum pump will stop working automatically if you haven't pointed this stop button. Okay, now we stop it. And you can use this air release to release the vacuum. If you want to if you want to lift the cover up. Okay. Now let's check the up function. Okay, so this is the main function for this main tank. Okay, so let's check this button. It shows the trim, and there have a alarm button. It can show if there have some problems happen for this tank, then you will know how to fix it. Okay, thank you.